Happy March, everybody. It's time for Photo 101. With David Hancock. And I am David Hancock, YouTube's photography professor. So let's jump into this month's assignment, which I have not yet written up here. All right, March's assignment is called Familiar and Unfamiliar. So this assignment is to photograph things with which you are familiar and things with which you are unfamiliar. It could be anything. It can be a location, it can be a person, it could be someone's pet, it could be your pet, anything like that. Basically, you're going to try to split your photos. So your objective, again, is to take 36 photos. Try to split those photos roughly evenly between subjects with which you are familiar and subjects with which you are unfamiliar. Okay? So the objective here is to teach you how your work differs when you photograph something you know versus something you don't know. Because there will be a difference. So, spend this first week of March looking around at the things in your life and saying, this is a thing I'm familiar with. That is a thing I am not familiar with. Come up with a list in your brain of some of the things that you are and are not familiar with. The second week of March, I want you to start planning which of those things that you've seen you actually want to take photos of. So in the first week, you should have way more than 30 things that you see that you are or are not familiar with. And then in the second week, what you're going to do is take that second week to figure out which one of those things are most interesting to you to use to complete this assignment. And then in the third and fourth week, you're going to actually execute the assignment and post it either to the comment section of the second video for this month or to Instagram with this information here, the hashtag P101WDH for Photography 101 with David Hancock, remembering to @me on Instagram. And this information is also in the video's description so that you can just copy and paste it if you would like. And I will do my best to comment on as many as I can, and I will certainly look at all of them. So I'll see you again in 2 weeks with your reminder update for this assignment. Have fun observing and planning this assignment for the next 2 weeks, everybody.